My SSO Community is the online destination for SSO members to share ideas, seek supports, and make new connections. Access My SSO Community through the SSO website or by visiting myssocommunity.surgonc.org. You may then log into My SSO Community by using your SSO account information. Once logged in, you can join as many communities as you like. There is an all-member community, 8 disease site communities, and a fellows and young attendings community. Click on the community name to view posts, answer a poll question, share files, and view other community members. To post a message, simply click on the Add button. You may also reply to a specific conversation thread by clicking the More button beneath the recent posts. Click on the thread subject. You may then reply to the discussion or directly to the sender of the message. My SSO Community has other useful resources. The homepage has important announcements and upcoming events. You may also select the Event tab at the top of the page for a more comprehensive listing of upcoming educational programs and events. And don't forget to update your profile with a photo and information about yourself. Thanks for checking out My SSO Community. Please take a moment to log in, post a question, or just say hello.